We're going out. To be honest, where we're going?
We're going to do some deliveries for my sideline online business. And then we're just gonna go for a ride, I guess, tonight. We'll see.
Yeah, we're not sure what's
We're
going
not
on, but
sure.
it's pretty bored at home, so we decided to come out and just drive around a little bit, show you guys what's going on during COVID in Calgary. The weather's pretty good, just a little chilly due to the wind. So we'll see you guys later.
See ya.
Alright guys, so now we're here at Jollibee. You couldn't really eat in there, so we have to go through drive-through. Yeah, since we say we're gonna eat in a car anyway. I don't know what to get. What are you getting?
I'll probably get some burger steak. That's my favorite from Jollibee, and maybe some Jollibee crispy chicken joy as well.
I don't know.
And some
what
pineapple juice.
I need menu though.
We'll check it later.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just to give you some fun facts about Jollibee in Canada, honestly, it's not. I'm not gonna say it's not as good, but yeah, it's not the same with Jollibee in the Philippines. And the menu is also not as much as what you will find in the Philippines. I've been to Jollibee in Winnipeg. I can say that Jollibee in Winnipeg is pretty good. They have like a pretty good selection with the menu there, but here you can't. Like they don't even have halo, guys. So that's one thing. There's two Jollibees here in Calgary, and both of them are kind of the same with the menu. No, it's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. I'm so hungry.
So slow.
Nasa kotse pa lang kami, guys. Pero naaamoy ko na yung chicken. So good. Super anong tawag doon? Yung kumukulo yung tiyan. Ayun. Finally our turn, guys!
Hi there, Jollibee. Welcome to Jollibee. How may I help you tonight?
Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm good, and yourself?
Good, thank you. I think we probably need a little bit of time here, though.
Okay, let me know or if you have questions with our minister, okay?
Sounds good, thank you.
Hello po.
Hello, how are you po?
Okay po. May burger pa po ba?
Meron po.
Isa pong burger na may meal with
Okay,
fries.
with large piece po ba?
Large fries po. Yes po.
Okay, with cheese cream burger?
You want cheese? Yes po.
Okay.
Yes po. At saka po isang 6-piece na bucket chicken.
Spicy na kilo?
Half and half po.
Okay, perfect.
And then, let's see here. Meron po kayong burger steak na walang chicken na side.
Yes po, 2-piece burger steak is $7 po with a drink. O with a drink po yan, by $8 po may drinks po.
Sige po, yung pong 2-piece with pineapple juice.
Okay.
And 2 rice.
Two steamed rice po lang.
Yes po. Ayun lang po.
Eat a lot.
I can't believe you only want cheeseburger.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, you too.
Hey guys, so we found a spot. We'll show you in a little bit here. But first,
We're gonna eat first.
we're gonna eat. Kasi gutom na kami. Yeah, I work from home every day, 8 to 5. And because I'm working from home, I normally, forget to eat breakfast and lunch. So most of the time, yung kain ko lang is dinner. Kahit nasa bahay lang ako. Kaya, pagdating ng gabi, gutom na kami. gutom kami. Yeah. I'll show you what we got from Jollibee. Yeah. So, meron akong burger, steak.
Burger.
Siyempre with rice. Burger kay Kevin. And then meron din kaming fried chicken. So yeah, ito yung burger steak ko kasi sa car lang kami kakain ngayon, kaya ayan, burger steak with rice. Ito yung rice niya. Kain na. See, the sauce fell. The sauce is everywhere. Ay. There.
And you know where my golf course is? It's down here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So
Oh, you remember, right? We
What?
came here together, isn't it?
Mhm.
I remember you also came with me.
to golf?
Yeah. Didn't
Oh
you?
yeah.
Yeah.
So every now and then I speak Tagalog to Kevin because he's trying to learn how to speak Tagalog. And then
I'm very bad though.
yeah, he's really bad at it. But it's also same with me. Like nag-aaral ako magsalita ng Mandarin para maintindihan ko yung sinasabi niya minsan. At saka maintindihan ko din yung sinasabi ng mga pamilya niya, ganun. Kasi nakapunta na ako sa Taiwan once. Pero kailangan lagi siyang katabi ko para mag-translate. Lalo na nung nagpunta kami sa night market. Sobrang ganda, sobrang daming food sa Taiwan. Gusto ko i-try lahat. But we didn't have time to try all of the food.
In Taiwan?
Yeah, in Taiwan.
And
Hmm?
do you want to share your fun experience in Taiwan? That you took a bus by yourself?
Oh yeah. So nung nagpunta kami sa Taiwan back in 2000
I forgot.
2007 no, wait. 2018.
Was it?
Yeah. Yeah, so 2018, nagbakasyon kami sa Taiwan. Sabay kami nagpunta doon. 2 weeks yata yung bakasyon namin. Or 2 to 3 weeks yata. Pero, sa gitna ng bakasyon ko, may bakasyon din ako sa Pilipinas for 5 days. 5 days. Pero ang problema guys, hindi niya ako masasamahan papunta sa Taiwan airport. Kaya, kailangan ko mag-travel, mag-isa ko papunta sa airport. Ang tawag dito? Sobrang nakakaba kasi wala akong kasama mag-translate, tapos walang internet yung cellphone. Pero, pagdating ko dun sa bus, meron pala silang wifi sa bus. So, every now and then, nakapag-chat kami ni Kevin. Tapos, nagsulat din siya sa papel, in Mandarin. Nagsulat siya sa papel in Mandarin, tapos pagkakit ko dun sa bus yung driver, kinausap ng tatay niya, tapos binigay nila yung papel na sinulat niya doon sa bus driver. na ang sinasabi niya is i-guide daw ako kung saan ako bababa, kung kailan yung stop ko, ganun. Wala, gusto ko lang share yun kasi parang grabe no, parang nasa foreign country kaya di mo maintindihan yung sulat nila, yung sinasabi nila, pero may mga tao pa din talagang super helpful, lalo na kapag nakita nilang kailangan mo ng tulong. So, ayun. Gusto ko lang share sa inyo. Sa totoo lang guys, hindi talaga ako nakapag Tagalog sa bahay namin kasi dalawa lang kami, 'di ba? So hindi ko naman siya pwedeng kausapin ng Tagalog. So minsan nawawala na yung mga Tagalog natin diyan. Kaya naisipan din namin mag-vlog kasi at least this way makapagsalita ako ng Tagalog, makakapagkwento ako sa inyo, makakapag share kami ng mga experiences namin dito. So far, itong pangalawa. Yeah, so dito sa vlog namin na to, sabi ko kay Kevin, gusto ko mag-Tagalog.
Alright guys, so now I'm already finished eating. It's quite windy out here today actually. I don't know if you guys can see her, but she's still eating in there in the car. And let me show you guys what, while we're eating, what our views look like. So that's the downtown Calgary over there. Zoom in a little bit. That's downtown Calgary. Hi guys, so we just came back from driving around and walk our dog a little bit, and also check the mailbox, and look what I got today. Finally, I got it now. So what it is that I finally got my open work permit here, and then I'll let you guys know a little bit of background for this. So I was actually applying for the permanent residency. However, and that's also the reason why on the first video I mentioned that I'm jobless right now and I couldn't work for the whole year. That was really frustrating, guys. Yeah, and then finally, I was so happy to see this thing come in the mail. Um, and I remember that day. That was probably 2 weeks ago. So on that day, I was trying to rush this thing. So I called to the government of Alberta. Well, no, government of Canada. Sorry. And then I was just kind of asking them like, "Hey, what's going on with this and that?" Because there's nothing updated in on the internet and all that. And then they were like, "Oh, unfortunately, due to COVID right now, they don't really have like any update to let us know unless they started your application and all that." So I was like, "Okay, whatever. It is what it is. So we have to wait for it." And then after a little bit, that day, the same day, and then like probably half an hour after,
Like 2 hours.
2 hours after, she got a phone call and an email, but I didn't know anything at the time because I was doing something.
Yeah, you were
something
outside.
somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then she let me know. Like when I came back into the house, she's like, "Hey, you know what? You wanna check your mail?" I'm like, what is it? Like, is it something weird or whatever?" Then she told me that our consulate. Well, don't mind me, but
So basically, she's our immigration consultant.
mhm.
And her name is Sunny Young, and she is
Big shout out. Big
big shout out, Ate Sunny. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. From SNY Immigration, Edmonton, Alberta.
Yeah, so she got a phone call there and then saying that, "Hey, have you checked your email yet?" And then she's like, because she was working at the time, so she couldn't even check her email at the time. But she checked it real quick, and then we got the digital version of my work permits here. And then she showed me. So I was super, super happy and jumping around, hopping around. You guys should look at me at the time. Like I was crazy. Happy for me. So, yeah, but at the time, like, because I still need to update my the SIN number as well as like the healthcare card. So I have to wait for the physical things. But thank God, it's here now. So I'm glad. I'm glad I got that now. Super happy, super stoked. Yeah, and just want to share that with you guys a little bit here. And that should be it.
Yeah. So if you enjoyed our vlog for today, please make sure that you click that subscribe button down here below to get, and also the alarm to get notified whenever we upload our videos. Again, big shout out to Miss Sunny. Thank you so much.
And thank you all for the support. Whoever's watching right now, I love y'all. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye now.